Can I show them how a woman does it?
How does that supposed to do that?
Now you can get.
Alright, so it's like almost 1 and I just woke up. We're going to a family barbecue today, but everybody already left. So I'm gonna shower and then I guess head over. Life of a sleepy boy. My hair is extra curly today. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's all wavy. My blonde is showing. Hello. How'd that go? Did you make it?
My juggling skills.
Did he make it? Alright, well come on. N1, sponsor me tape right now. N1, right now. Mixtape. Get it done.
Made it.
Ah, you totally made it. Put my condom down before I murder you. Literally murder you. Show me something. First try. Let's get it. First try. Do it. Okay. No! Look what's back. The camera's back.
Oh god.
Oh god. It's back. We're back. We're back. Evan, we're back. He is disgusting. You're getting used to it. It's been gone for like 3 months. How could you have possibly gotten used to it?
I'm getting used to pictures being done.
I haven't made a video in like months.
There you have it. What's the problem?
We're back.
Oh, we're back.
Yeah,
back online.
we're back. We're back. Alright, so Emily just made the coolest thing ever. What is it?
It's a puppet.
A puppet of what?
A Wonderland monster. I just made it up.
What? It's got a tail and everything. It's got teeth.
Stripes.
Show me the face.
I didn't see the face.
That's so cool.
Cool. That is cool.
Where'd you learn how to do that?
Art.
You see the
See the puppet she just made?
she just made it.
Right? Just over there like making cool stuff.
No, it's a Wonderland beast.
That back out as a blessing. That's someone glad.
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
We got the whole family out here condominated.
So they're gonna have ideas what draws people, what pulls them in. I can do that.
Yeah, and
I want you to get caught up in how the world does things.
And I understand that.
Oh, they all look different. They all look weird. Like all of those look like they were from different packs of hot dogs. Aww.
Aww, I can't see a thing.
Aww.
Where do you see it? How do you know
don't.
it's all? Oh.
You don't see it.
Still need a little more time.
More time. I'm hungry now.
Alright.
Let's see this picture. What'd you draw?
You skating, and you're filming, and you're holding a soda.
Cool.
Whee!
I'm holding a soda. Evan can't climb fences, so I'm gonna film this because it's really entertaining. Evan's really bad at jumping a fence.
I'll do it.
When you gotta get in a square fence, if you always go to the corner of guarantee it's easier to get in the corner than anywhere else. No, you're good.
Just jump the fence, honky. Dang.
Yeah,
I can do
so I
it.
can go
Someone
with
hold
that and
Austin's
smash my
picture.
finger.
You want to show you how a man?
Can I do it? Can I show him how a woman does it?
I was actually put it on.
Now you can get it. Now I'm gonna let you struggle to go get it. Have fun. See what happens when you act stupid?
I want to try to.
That was hilarious.
That was.
That was pretty funny. He's putting cheese. He's putting cheese on. We got cheese going. We got cheese going.
That must mean it's getting close, huh?
Hey, dingus. Don't play with a ball next to the grill. Stupid. Jackass. Ooh. I've honestly been thinking about this all week. Not even joking.
Hope
Like,
you're not disappointed.
I've been super excited to eat this food all week. I've wanted barbecue food for so long.
Just meat.
Just meat.
Just want the meat.
So excited. Oh, so excited. Come on, that's too much ketchup.
I got retarded hot.
Someone's drone landed in their yard. It's ours now.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe it is.
Red
See if
cat.
it's Mr. Kranz's. Hand it to him that way.
We think it belongs to NASA. You know, there's a 90% chance it belongs to NASA. We've got alien technology here. Bless you.
But anyway, sorry with that. So she
Oh. Got everybody out here doing big cup. Damn, somebody is not young. Somebody is not young. Somebody is not young. Alright, I'm passing the camera off to Evan. Evan's gonna record this happy birthday while I take pictures.
Oh, this, you gonna sit down or something?
Come on, man. Act like it's your first birthday. Given it's 63 before.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mom. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
There you go.
How does it feel to be 64?
Feels just like it did when I was 46.
Apparently being 64 is tough because reversing numbers is a thing of the past. I took your glasses. I took your glasses. Get pranked, bro. Y'all want some help passing this cake out?
Well, we're trying to decide because we've got ice cream too. Do we put ice cream on there, and if you don't want it, you just don't eat it? Or-
No, why don't you just bring the ice cream out there with the scoop and
Okay.
People
if
can
they
just get
want
it for
then they
themselves.
can-
I'm what you call a problem solver.
You are.
I'm what you call a problem starter.
He's what you
Could be
call
too.
an abortion gone wrong.
That is very unkind. That's very unkind.
It's not true. They didn't really try to abort him.
Very unkind.
It's raining.
What the heck?
It's raining.
It's
raining, man.
Bye, family.
Best of everything. Enjoy the rest of the school year.
Bye, family. Bye. See you at home, family.
Oh, yeah, you'll be working. You'll be working. Yeah, that's right.
Man, working man.
Kevin's a working man.
Soul.
Working for the city. Look how pale my legs are. Good lord. How pale I am. Ugh. Haunting this house with my whiteness.